right, folks, now leaving at San Juan Capistrano. Surfliner train 572. Southbound train to San Diego. Now leaving San Juan Capistrano. 2118 leads up this one. Okay, we got 6805 Belmont Park. 34082 Surfliner. 6306 San Timoteo Canyon. 6401 Grover Beach. 6403 Hermosa Beach, and Cabcar 6908 Point Estero. Nice. There she goes, south to San Diego. We'll continue on to Oceanside, Solana Beach, and Del Mar, and the final destination of this train is downtown San Diego, Santa Fe Depot. Nice. That's it. Live in San Juan Capistrano, folks. Thank you all for watching. I'm out. Till next time. See ya.